Guys, we hit 1,000 subscribers! I'm going to give you the name of the contest winners in different parts of this video, and I'm going to give a shout out to everybody who worked hard for this contest. So make sure to watch the video until the very end. What is up, my beautiful YouTube family? Welcome to the Hack Buster channel, guys. This is the show where we find random life hacks from the internet and we see how realistic and reliable they are. Today we're gonna do some fruits/vegetable life hacks. So let's get started. Wow, I'm not really sure if we're going back in the history or in the future. Literally making juice straight from the apple without a blender or a juice maker or anything, that is like fabulous. But I highly doubt that is going to work. I'm going to say this hack is going to be completely busted. When I squeeze it, I'm going to predict nothing is going to come out of the apple at all. Let me know your prediction in the comments below and say it before I actually do the hack. So without further ado, let's try it out. I had this apple in the freezer for about 2 days right now. As you can see, it is solid as rock. So I'm going to let it sit around, have it become a little bit smooshy. While that is being defrosted, let's see our next genius hack. I have actually seen this hack in multiple places. I have seen a lot of other YouTubers try it as well. So I think this one is going to be realistic. If it is, that's going to save so much time. I myself love potatoes. I make smashed potatoes, I make a lot of other stuff with potatoes. And although me myself don't really mind eating the potato skin, a lot of people hates it. So if this one works, it's gonna save a lot of time and it's gonna be fantastic. So let's try it out. So I have this awesome looking Mr. Potato Head right here. Time to cut him in half. Alright, so I didn't really cut it in half. I barely just cut the skin across. So right now I'm gonna put this up for boiling, and while this one is boiling, let's see if we can make some apple juice straight out of the apple. Alright, so the $50 winner is RPG King. Congratulations, my dude. Keep watching to find out who the $100 winner is. Wow, the more I keep this apple outside, it looks like it's getting more freezing. It's all white right now. I'm gonna try putting this in the hot water for a little bit. Maybe that will soften it up faster. Alright, so this apple has been defrosting in the hot water for a while right now. And this is actually a lot softer. It is a lot squishier right now. This hack, you know what guys, might actually work. So in the video, they showed to squeeze it up and make it even softer. So I'm going to do that right now, and hopefully I will get some fresh squeezed apple juice. Alright, so this potato is ready right now. Let's see if we can peel it. Ow! Literally the saying is not wrong. Hot potato burns. I'm going to have it let it sit out for a little bit to cool down, and I'm going to try it again. Okay, so it's cool right now. Let's see if we can peel it easily just by squeezing and pulling. Do you think the whole skin will come out as easily as they show in the video? Let's find out. Nope, as you can see, it did not come out as 2 pieces. It is all broken into pieces. I actually made sure this potato is well done. I had it sit out for a while. Like this video if you like eating baked potatoes. But to answer the question, did it all come out as easily as just hold and squeeze and pull? Nope, not in 2 pieces. It broke into many pieces and I still have a lot of skins attached to it. So I'm going to say this hack is busted. Alright, so the $100 winner is Gamer to Kill. Woo! congratulations, and keep watching to find out who the highest prize $200 winner is. Alright, so this apple is about as normal as it can be. It has been defrosting for a while right now, and as you can see, it is really squishy. So I'm going to squish it up a little bit more. And I'm going to see if we can have some fresh squeezed juice right here. So it's about as good as it can be. Time for the truth. Will it squeeze or will it explode in my hand? Let's find out. Wow, I am extremely surprised. As you can see, I was able to get that much of juice out of it. If I keep squeezing it, I'm sure I will get some more juice out of it also. So about from one apple, you can probably fill up this glass right here. I'm actually super curious to see how this one actually tastes. Oh my god. Normally the store-bought apple juice, I actually don't like them at all. They're super sweet. But this one is actually really good. Give me 1 second, let me finish drinking. That was one of the best juice I have ever drank. Sure, it did take a while for this apple to be frozen, and then it does take a little bit to squeeze it out, and I did make a lot of mess right here. But does it actually fulfill its purpose? Can you freeze an apple then squeeze the fresh juice out of it? Yes, absolutely. I honestly thought they would be like really chunky. For example, you know when you blend the apple with all of it together, how the texture of it is like applesauce. I actually think that is what I'll be getting if I got anything at all. But this was actually really clear liquid. I am super mind blown surprised about this hack. I did not think this one is going to work at all. This is another way how you can tell I am not always right, or I have not tried this before. I tried for the first time with you guys. I have no more words. This hack was amazing. So I'm going to say this hack works. Alright guys, so as you saw from the two videos that we have done today, the potato one, although I thought was going to be realistic, ended up being busted. But the apple one, I thought was going to be completely busted, ended up actually blowing my mind. I was speechless. It was really good quality apple juice. I'm in love with that hack. That hack worked. Thank you so much for giving your valuable time to watch my videos, guys. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the Hack Buster family. Remember, I say family and not friends because friends are temporary, but family is forever. If you're one of my loyal subscribers who came to watch the video, thank you so much for the love and support, guys. Remember, you are really a part of my family, so if you have any questions or any life hacks that you see have any curiosity about, let me know in the comments below and I will try to answer any questions you have and try to recreate those life hacks in the future for you and possibly give you a shout out. If you like this video, make sure to click the thumbs up, subscribe and press the bell notification so you know exactly every time when I post a video so you can be the first one to watch it. Also, make sure to share this video with your friends and family so they don't waste their time and money recreating fake life hacks. Alright, before I give away the name of the $200 winner, here's a shout out to everybody who worked really hard for this contest. Alright, so the first shout out goes to This Is My Account, Stop Using It. Love that name. Adam Gomez, Emerald Wolf, Priyash Islam, Mui8828, Frame Frenzy, Emma Salvestein, Wine Coops, Aviation, Alwi, Lily Holder, Khalid Yare, JJ Fresh, Poppy Riley, Big Chungus, Loot Lama, Grizzly Players Games, Toby Vlogs 706, and special thank you to Emma Silverstein, Shane Dawson is the best. Hopefully soon someone's gonna say Hack Buster is the best. Ariana Dale and Hillary Wolfman. Alright, are you guys ready for the $200 winner? Woo! Are you ready? Drum roll. It is Zoom in here. Woo! Congratulations! I'll be contacting contacting each of the winners by direct messaging. Thank you so much, guys. I know you guys worked really hard for this. I'm sorry you guys didn't win this competition, but remember, it is not about the money. We are a big family right here. We all try to make this family grow even bigger. For anybody who also worked hard but I forgot to mention the name, I apologize. Let me know in the comments below and I will personally thank you in the comments. But do not worry, guys, I have even bigger giveaways coming. So we are not done yet. 1,000 was just the beginning. Right now the next goal is for 10,000 so I can post stories and stay more connected with you guys. So let's get this family bigger to 10,000 subscribers and I will be posting my next giveaway very soon. Woo! I cannot scream. As you know, I was sick yesterday, so thank you so much for all the comments and support you guys gave me. With you guys' love, I got much better really fast. To watch my last video, click right here. To see another video, click right here. And definitely, most importantly, click on my face right here to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Peace.